Hi, this is the ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open first the box. Let's check all of the accessories. So we got here the quick start guide with the safety information and the warranty card. Also we got here the charger, ZTE original one with all of the specifications, the SIM jack tool, and the headphones with the 3.5 millimeters part. And also got here the USB cable, the micro USB cable for charger. So that's it, there are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.